Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed my micro locks. So if you guys want to see, stay tuned. To make this process easier on myself, I went ahead and I sectioned my hair into medium-sized braids, and I worked on at least 2 to 4 braids at a time when I installed my locks. So this whole process took me 3 weeks to complete my entire head, simply because I worked on smaller sections. If you work in larger sections, you'll definitely get it done faster. And also, I did not trim my ends prior to installing my plaits because my micro locks were not intentional. So I went ahead and I cut my hair the way I'm showing you guys in the video. I'm not a licensed cosmetologist, I'm not a loctician, so yeah, keep that in mind. That's how I cut my hair, and it worked for me. So when I initially braided my hair, I was doing that for my individual crochet faux locks. I didn't like the way they turned out. They were too heavy and too tight, so I took them out and decided to just start my real micro locks. So that's what you guys are seeing me do right now. So once I finish taking down 2 of the braids, I then take that section and divide it into smaller subsections. This is going to help me later on down the line when it's time to start twisting. This is the only time that I'm using the comb. Once I start twisting, I just use my fingers to section out the rest of my hair. And you'll see what I mean later on in the video. So this smaller subsection, I'm just going to take my thumb and my pointer finger just to section off an even tinier section that piece into 2, and then start twisting. It's just that simple. So at this point, I'm almost finished. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the last 4 plaits together. Finally, after 3 long weeks, I've completed my entire head. I don't have a number as to how many locks I have, but I'll definitely have that the next video, so stay tuned. Now it's time for the takedown, show you guys what they look like completed. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos about my micro locks, definitely hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up.